What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. First of all, if you guys could please smash that like button, I'd really appreciate it. If you guys could leave a comment down below, I don't care what it is, it super helps the channel out. Anyways, we are not in the shop today. We are actually just leaving home. Just leaving my place in Big Lake right now. You can see the lake right there, looking beautiful as always. It's been kind of like a little bit snowy all week here, so there's still a little bit of snow like over there in the grass and stuff, but still a little bit chilly out. So anyways, we are taking off. We are heading up to the shop. I'm gonna grab my truck and trailer, and I already got it all ready last night. Got the trailer hooked up, so everything's ready to go. Truck is fueled up, and we are going to pick up a new vehicle. So I'm excited to show you guys. It's nothing too crazy, but last year I had a 2005 Volvo XC90. It was fully loaded, full leather, third row seating, all-wheel drive, twin turbo. Had tow package, roof rack, navigation, heated seats, all that good stuff, you name it. It wasn't getting very good fuel economy, and I live about an hour away from my shop, so I decided that it was probably not the best vehicle to be dailying. It got about 16 to 17 miles per gallon, and living an hour away, it was just getting a little crazy on gas. It was costing me over $100 a week just to drive to work. Unlike the Del Sol, where it's like $25 a week. But so I also had a 99 Chevy Silverado for a truck that was two-wheel drive and didn't have a tow package, so that was kind of a useless truck. So what I did is I ended up getting rid of both those vehicles, and I actually picked up a 1976 Chevy K20, and it's a 3/4 ton, long bed, four-wheel drive. I showed you guys in the last a few vlogs back that truck that I picked up. So that truck runs amazing. I'm actually going to use it right now. Very good truck, super pumped on that. But once again, it's kind of a little bit of a gas hog, but that actually helps with towing my boat, because the Volvo, it towed the boat, but it just didn't like pulling it up and out of the water. I could tell I was putting quite a load on the transmission, as well as like towing on the freeway. I could tell I was going to shorten the life of that vehicle if I used it to tow any longer. So getting the full-size truck was a good decision as far as towing. So as far as towing the boat for summertime when we're hitting the lake and stuff, I do have that taken care of, but it still kind of left me hanging as far as a daily driver. So I also picked up a 2001 Honda Accord, and I did a timing belt, water pump, fixed some leaks, all that stuff, did full tune-up on it. Ended up being a great car, but it just wasn't for me. I don't really like four-door cars unless they're like an SUV or a truck. And it just wasn't me. It was kind of like a granny car, I guess you could say. So sorry if any of you guys drive four-door Honda Accords, but it just was not for me. I didn't feel like tinting the windows and making it a comfortable driver to drive to and from work. So I ended up just recently selling that, and this is going to be the replacement. So I'm excited to show you guys. We're not really sure what's wrong with it yet. It is a one family-owned car. I do know that the owner said it was making a pretty bad noise and it made him pretty nervous, so he's not been driving it. I'm not too worried about it. Worst case scenario, we got to throw a new engine in it. I'm not too worried about it. It'll probably cost $1,000 said and done, with a new engine, timing chain, all that good stuff, while we're in there. So anyways, we're just heading to pick up the truck and the trailer right now, and we'll go pick it up.
Are we gonna play now? Ready for the show? I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I got a chance to break now, here I fucking go. Take control of fate now, I control my flow. And I know that I'll be great, how putting on a show. I know that I'ma stay loud, drowning out the noise. The haters always thinking that they could fucking break me. They're better off eating their own words like pastries. Hate me, and you better.
Alright guys, we're finally at the shop. We are going to grab the jump box. I just started the truck, it's warming up. Here I have my jump pack just in case. Ooh, the shop is chilly today. Let me kick it down a little bit. Chokes have been kind of sticky lately. Last night I did get the trailer connected. I gassed up the truck, checked the oil, all that good stuff. I had a larger hitch on this, and I needed a hitch with a 2-inch ball, so I was going to switch it, but my locking hitch pin was seized. I couldn't get it undone, so I ended up having to finally cut it off, and I just, of course, grabbed a new hitch off the shelf and another pin and just put that in there. So anyways, got it all connected. It's all chained up. This is a U-Haul trailer, but I am a U-Haul authorized dealer, so I was able to just grab this trailer on the go. So these trailers work great if the vehicle currently runs. So let's cross our fingers, we can start this thing and drive it up on the trailer, because I have no winch on the back of that thing. All right, we are in my 1976 Chevy K20 with a Scottsdale small block 350, automatic transmission. Great little old truck, long bed, 3/4 ton, 4-wheel drive. Love this truck. Needs a little bit of work, but runs, drives. It's never died on me. Good old truck, just needs a little bit of cosmetic work and all. So anyways, truck's warming up, so let's hop in, get on the road, and let's go grab this thing.
I'm like a bad bitch and pasties, they can't save me, no I ain't lazy, no. But society has me going so crazy, yo. Don't blame me, no my mind's hazy, yo. And I'm sick of me feeling this way daily. I'll always live my life till it's over, and I will not forgive those who hold me down.
All right guys, so we just picked up the new daily, and there it is. 2007 Honda CR-V. This is an EXL model. So it's a leather interior, heated seats, navigation, you name it, sunroof, all power options. It did not sound very good coming on the trailer, guys. I believe it's probably gonna need a new engine. I think everything's kind of locked up. That's okay. The other wheels on the back, it's on the spare right now. I had a flat. It is missing the lower valance of the bumper, but not a big deal. It's a pretty cheap. We can throw a new one on, new wheel liner. There it is, K24, 2.4 liter, dual overhead cam, K-Series m-tek engine. It's definitely leaking some oil. Sounded really bad coming onto the trailer. I already knew it had a problem, so I just said screw it, started the thing up and just loaded it on the trailer, went for it, and it was definitely leaking some oil. Sounded very chattery, sounds like a timing chain. Could even be a broken rod, and there could be a hole in the block, because it definitely poured out some oil when I pulled it on the trailer. But overall, it's in really good shape. Interior's all there. Nothing's really dinged up. It's got a couple small tiny dings. The front bumper's a little scratched up, so we'll probably refinish this and put a new lower valance on. Everything else looks really good. I do really like this color. It's a nice color. It's like I forget what they call it, but it's like a little bit of a silver. It's got a little blue hue in it, but it's definitely silver. But I know they have another silver for these vehicles as well. But super pumped. Most likely is gonna need an engine. So let's get back in the truck. Let's get on the freeway and head back to the shop. I just put 6 gallons of fuel in this thing last night, and it's already on E. Insane. All we did was come into Bellingham, probably like 10 miles. Super bad gas mileage, but that's okay, because it's a badass truck. How's it going, man? Let's do a 25 on pump, whatever pump, number 1. All right, thanks, man. 25 probably won't get us very far. Super pumped. Super pumped.
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard, yeah, you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare yeah, they can't match me, I'm at half speed. I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt, she asking to crash with me.
All right, everybody, we're back in the Del Sol. We're almost home to Big Lake right now. CRV is at the shop, it's unloaded. Super pumped on the purchase. It does appear that it probably needs a new engine. It did sound like timing chain chatter and stuff, but it was squirting coolant and oil pretty much all over the place underneath the hood. So we are looking for a new K24 engine. Shouldn't be too hard to get one. We do want to get a nice, good engine. Used is okay, but we definitely want to keep it on the lower mileage side, since this CRV isn't exactly a high mileage vehicle as far as the odometer reading. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the episode. I'm super excited to get the motor coming for this vehicle and get this thing ready. So the main objective with this vehicle is not only use it as a daily driver, like to and from work, but also this summer we are going on a big road trip, and we usually take Karmen's 2006 Honda Accord, but I think this year we are going to probably end up taking the 07 Honda CRV. So we do need to get a good engine. We'll probably go ahead and service the timing chain, full tune-up, fluids, all that good stuff. We'll probably service the brakes, pretty much do everything. Alignment if it needs it, new set of tires, you know, the works basically. So we want to get it to be good and reliable for cross country, and so that is the main goal. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.
Ooh, like LeBron though, or like Lonzo. Ooh, I'm a baller, yeah, shot caller, yeah. They love me, you can't touch me, nah, can't trust me. I'm too lucky. Look at me, look at you, what you see, what you do.